Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Rivet in our golf shop studio with a look at the incredible 2018 collection from Bushnell. Now be sure to subscribe to us here at the Golf Spotlight to get the inside story on the biggest golf product releases throughout the year and for holiday gift ideas this season. I was first introduced to this Bushnell line earlier this year when they showed me a trio of products that are designed to keep you best informed when you're out on the golf course. We started always with Bushnell with a laser, and their 2018 hybrid brings you all the information that you want when facing a shot on the course. The first thing I noticed with this hybrid, it's really lightweight. It feels great in the hand, and when you're using it, you get all the information that you want right on the display. The distance to the pin, as well as to the front and back of the green. It's preloaded with GPS to over 36,000 courses, as are all Bushnell GPS devices. The Jolt technology tells you when you've hit the target, so you know the number is right. For more data, the external display will give distances to up to 4 hazards per hole. Now, if you're seeking slope information, you're not going to find it on the 2018 hybrid. But this device will give you the most information available on any laser rangefinder. It's your one-stop shop for distance information. Now, if you want that slope, check out the Tour V4 Shift or the Pro X2. They're both fabulous. Also, the hybrid has dual power sources, so if your battery dies mid-round, you'll still have the GPS data. But it's not just laser rangefinders this year from Bushnell, as we have a pair of great new GPS devices that bring you distance in an instant. First, it's right here. It's the Phantom, which comes in 4 colors to match your style. Its big display clearly shows the numbers. You can see them right here, to the front, middle, and back of the green. And it also shows, again, up to 4 hazards per hole. What I really like is its magnetic backing, which sticks to the frame of your cart, so you have the number at eye level as soon as you arrive at your ball. Doesn't get more convenient than that. Now, if you're walking, use the included clip to attach it to your bag or belt. Its long-lasting charge will easily power the Phantom through 2 rounds, so go play 36 and feel comfortable. You'll have distance at your disposal. Now, if you prefer your numbers on your wrist, then the Ion 2, that could be the watch for you. With all the technology found in the Phantom, the Ion 2 also has an integrated fitness step counter to let you know how far you've traveled through your round. One charge will last you more than 3 rounds, so use it with confidence. It's very lightweight and the strap feels great against the skin. Now, whether it's the hybrid, the Phantom, or the Ion 2, Bushnell has a fantastic gift for the golfer in your world this holiday season. Go to bushnellgolf.com to learn more about these products and everything in their line. And of course, we want to thank you for joining us here at the Golf Spotlight. Be sure to subscribe as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.